All right, so today is July 1st, first day of the month, third quarter, and setting up ES and Q, VIX. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go over my pre-market analysis, but first I'm going to go over my levels last month. Being consistently creating these videos and taking my time with VIX, ES, and NQ looking for confluence. I could say that it was a pretty good month, much better than all of the previous months. More so the fact that I was very picky about the trades that I took, um, and also I was okay with walking away from the charts when things weren't going my way without having to force the trades to work. You know, I didn't chase. Let's see. I think I can find it. I thought I downloaded the week performance. Is it the month performance? I think it's one of these two. Yeah. So I didn't force many trades. I only took a few trades through yesterday. Yeah, yesterday last week. And then throughout the week, I was just very picky, very selective about my locations, looking for things that make sense to me, and looking for and just watching how price reacts. So when I did take a trade, I was fully committed, and then when I was out of the trade, I was no longer trying to just keep chasing it. Just I have a better idea of where the trades will just not work out anymore, and where they where they will not work out anymore. And if they do, they do. If they don't, they don't. All right. My performances. I'm not sure if they're gonna load up or not. Look like they're struggling. The PDF is struggling to open. So no idea. All right. So let's go over news. So wow, we have Powell speaking tomorrow. This might not be a a major one. Let's see. This one might be more major. Wednesday. Okay, we do have news 9:45 and 10. Typically, last week there were like no news on Mondays. We have a holiday on Thursday. On Wednesday, the market does close early. I believe around 12. So this won't too much. This hopefully shouldn't affect the market too much. Um, and then Friday, the market opens back up again. So close early on Wednesday, close entirely on Thursday, open back up on probably Thursday night, Friday morning, one of the two. I don't know. And then Powell is supposed to speak. We have Joe's reports. This might be. Let's see what Forex Factory has to say. What is this? Right at the market open. So I guess he is speaking. Okay. And then on Wednesday, just FOMC minutes. All right. So I don't know. So, but we'll just focus on today and just take it one day at a time. All right. So let's do that. So I already got my levels set up for ES and NQ as far as my value area highs and lows. The levels are basically here. ES has a wider range, NQ has more of a P range, also a B range, where we had this, and then price just kind of like held around here. Um, are these things finally opening up? Performance levels finally opening up. I don't know. It's not really doing its thing. All right. Anyways, so I'm going to look for levels inside of the pre-market move today, and then how the price moved on Sunday morning. around these levels to see if I have anything of importance. Looks like we've been holding these lows here on ES, and on Sunday. This is Sunday's range starts. I feel like I should have started back here somewhere, right? Yeah. Let me zoom in more. Sunday range starts at here at 18. So Sunday we didn't do much, but we do have some volume with prices being pushed up each time. We try to go down. So maybe there are some buyers down here. Get rid of this. Fibonacci level. So let's see what price did at these levels here to see if I can find me a level. I don't see anything on the 30-minute that really catches my attention. If anything, the price up here at 577 is more, feels better than this. Let's go here. So yeah, we have some consolidation. Strong volume at the open. Nope, that's not volume. That's not the open. 10. So I'm going to remove these, and I'm going to put this like that. Alright, so there we go. So yeah, okay. And then we have some volume around here. Maybe this can be like this. It's for volume area's sake. Get rid of that. Let's see if there's any volume that can help support this idea. Yeah, volume right here. Okay, so we have that. Strong volume right down here. Well, it looks like we cleared it. Yeah, we did get above it. So if anything, what is this? I'm not gonna sweat this level too much. All right. So if we go into pre-market, zoom out. I'm just gonna mark it for now because there's a lot of volume, like way more than it should be. All of these, but price needs to clear at least up here for me to, you know, trust that price really wants to go up. But I'm gonna just mark these areas for now, and then I'll look at them with VIX. Alright, let's do NQ, and I'm gonna just go off just for a bit. Okay, so um, let's see. We're gonna get into Sunday. These are my levels for VIX for NQ for now. We're gonna go into VIX, and I'm going to just look for where price um, bounced or moved strongly or anything that just catch my attention. I should first actually, now I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna go over the daily. Go over the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hour. So we've been basically inside of this in a sense, but keeping below these highs. And this is where the level that I missed on Friday. I should have been trying to go long, short, but I was trying to go long for some reason. Even though I told myself I should be looking for shorts, so that was on me. Um, we're kind of still inside of this candle right here on the daily. Let's go on the weekly. Kind of holding the highs in a sense, or the mids. All right, kind of going like sideways. We'll say that. Let's go into 8 hour. Yeah, there's gonna be some tough levels here to understand. 4 hour. Yeah, this is where sellers are defending, buyers are defending. So we're getting this nice whipsaw. We're still inside of all of this major consolidation zone. Still haven't filled this gap yet. 1 hour just for kicks. Yeah, I believe there's stronger buyers down here. Pretty strong sellers up here as well, but I think the buyers are very strong down here. I can turn this to a chop fest because we've been in and out of it. Let's do that. Okay. Let's do NQ real quickly. We got daily back at this level here. Kind of closed the gap. Wanted to, but I don't think we ever reached it. Weekly real quickly. Might get another push up to get a push down. 8 hours. Kind of got that. Look like buyers kind of defended. We'll see more sellers up here. 4 hour. Yeah, definitely area of interest. Let's bring this out more. 1 hour for kicks. Yeah, so I think my major level will be up here near the 2019, 2022, 2221s, 2220 basically areas. All right, put that back at the 30-minute. So let's go into VIX. We're gonna do this times at 8:31. Do we have news? It's coming out. Oh, not 45. Okay. I also need to do my settlement price and ADR levels for ES and NQ. Actually, let's do those first. So I'll go on off for a bit. Okay, so yes, and NQ don't have any settlement prices on the CME website. Get rid of that settlement. It's using Thursday settlement, not Fridays. Um, so we're just gonna omit that. Let's just go into our ADR levels and work with those instead. 551 150, 5 5 10 25. There. Okay. 5 5 5 7 25, 5 5 5 8. 5 5 5 7.25, 5 5 5 8. So look at that. Cool. All right. MQ. 19.84 125. 19.33.15. 19.8 3.50. Everything's sweet. That's good. 20 21 2100. 20 107.75. All right, cool. So that's my ADR levels. That's fine. All right, so ADR levels set. Don't have settlement prices because CME. Okay, so we're going to look at VIX. Right. Whoa, nothing. All right, so we're basically consolidating. All right, so we're basically consolidating. We do have support on NQ, or demand level on NQ, that I can't seem to grab. All right, so respecting these levels here, a lot going on with NQ. I think that maybe we did shift upwards, but I can't make sense with VIX which direction we're going. Besides, this down here on VIX tells me that shorts are interested. So we just had this strong move on the open, then we came back up. So maybe we'll come down here and we'll bounce higher. So right now I'll be looking for longs in ES when we're down here, and I'll be looking for shorts in ES when we're up here. That's pretty much what I got. I can't really make this one up. As far as, we bounced, we held these lows, it has some strong volume. I do want to mark this area here because that's where we had the last volume. Alright, I'm gonna mark it on the Heikin Ashi. Mark it like this. So I do have this level here on the Heikin Ashi. We'll see how price reacts to it. We're looking for lower wicks. On NQ is a little lower. On the ES is a little higher. And then the upper range, I'm not going to too much sweat because I feel like it's still weak. I could be dead wrong, but that's what it feels like. So, but I'm just going to keep an eye on what the market presents. We are below value area low, something for me to be aware of. We are facing point of control and been basically below it for the most part. So we're in a tight range, and let's see if we can explode up or explode to the downside. So, or break out to the downside. So that's it for my pre-market review. News at 9:45 and 10, I believe, today. 9:45, 10. So those are pretty much the major news. I don't have anything else, and I'll be back at end post to see how price reacts. So that's it for me today. Okay.